This is brother versus brother. Jonathan versus Drew. What do we have left? We have spare bedrooms, we have bathrooms, and the outside space.
I say we finish up the house.
I have 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom left, and that hall area. And then I have the other bathroom downstairs that's off where I have the office.
I am doing 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a hallway. This actually puts me at an advantage because you have to do a whole extra room that I don't have to do. I am tearing apart the bathrooms. I want to get them ready so that as soon as I get my trades in here, they can start doing the rough-ins, we can start framing.
New day, a new challenge. I want to keep this momentum rolling. I want to win this challenge. Despite some savings in other areas, I've been hit with a few unexpected overages. And now there's not a lot of money left to finish my home. So I have to keep an eye on the bottom line. So far, I've spent $121,000 on all other areas of the house, and I have a budget of $18,000 for the guest bedrooms and bathrooms. With all this spending, it doesn't leave me with a lot left over, so I've got to stick to my budget here. It's all about the bedrooms up here, the kids' bedrooms, the spare bedrooms, as well as the family bathroom, so I want to make sure that we win this. I'll start right here. Whoa! All right, demo started. Just call these when you need them. All right?
Isn't there an unwritten rule where you shouldn't talk to people while you're on the can? So it's 2-2. This is a very important challenge. I want to make sure that I win this. I want to make sure I win the whole thing. So not only do I have to save money where I can, I still have to make sure I have that wow factor. Hey, Drew.
Yes. Do you realize that whenever you call my name, that means, uh-oh?
Yeah, it's uh-oh. Light tube is leaking bad.
Light tubes are used to bring daylight into interior spaces where traditional skylights can't reach. But if installed incorrectly, they can cause major water issues.
Yeah, it's wet.
That's not good. When I first got the place, there was a small crack on this side. Now that carries all the way across, and then we have 2 over here. We weren't even gonna have a roofer come in for this challenge. Now I have to. Plus the drywall guys have a whole lot more work, at least a half day's work. This all costs money. It all eats into my bottom line.
We gotta fix it.
Yeah.
We gotta fix it.
More money out of my pocket.
Yeah. As Bill and I are demoing out the closet, thinking to myself, I could push that wall back and gain 2 feet extra in my bedroom. Everything's a balance with a flip property. You know, what's the cost of a feature? What's it gonna give me with a buyer's offer? I definitely think the extra 2 feet is more valuable. Holy crap, Bill. Get over here. There's a friggin' safe. Ah, I find a safe. Oh my God.
There's actually money in there.
There is.
Unfortunately, it's just like a little bit of spare change. It's not gonna pay off my budget. I don't think this is gonna be worth reporting to anybody.
You got about $3.
Right now, I could use it. The ceiling bugs me, but...
Yes. No but. It bugs you. A low ceiling like this is not value.
I know, but you know what? I gotta remove the ABS, I gotta remove the copper, I gotta remove all the wiring. All that stuff's coming in right through here. You know, we're getting tight on our budget.
The ceiling height is 4 inches above my head. The shower is sticking into my mid-chest. So if this is a foot higher, we can move our shower head higher. No one's gonna feel like they're in a cave. I think that's the most important thing.
It's still a very big closet. You can step right into it. It's not technically a walk-in closet, but you'll be able to walk in. But what I love is now having this extra 2 feet inside the bedroom. All of this space wasn't part of the bedroom before. Now it is. So that gives me options for how I want to style it. Let the sunshine in.
Nice try,
God. You okay?
Did you come through?
Yeah, I did accidentally.
This is what it is. It's a safety hazard. Not only does it look terrible, the whole friggin' ceiling just fell down on my face. We didn't even realize how bad the water damage was. From underneath, I couldn't see everything, but it was wet up there, it was loose. I want to pass a house on to the buyer that is safe, it's sound, it's beautiful, so I just want to get that covered before we have more water coming in. My roofer and his team have been working all morning on repairing the damage from the light tube.
We found some other stuff up there that needs some attention. We looked at the function of the roof and the aesthetics of the roof, and we looked at your obvious pest problem.
The pigeons are driving me insane, and I can see they're nesting up there, too. What are we thinking cost-wise for that?
Well, for everything that I found, you're at $10,000.
Oh, my God.
Okay,
That is a normal response.
It's really tough because I don't want to hand over a house that has any issues to a buyer, but that's $10,000 coming out of my profits. That's something we didn't plan for.
The tubs arrived this morning and the plumbers are working to get them installed, but I've just been told that the HVAC isn't firing, so I brought someone in to check it out.
nobody wants to buy a house with an AC unit that doesn't work. Come on, you can make it. Save me $5,000.
It's DOA, it's dead.
In Las Vegas, you do not want to skimp on your air conditioning, so I have to swap it out. Otherwise, a buyer's going to give me $10,000 less.
Although essential to the home, the new HVAC unit will max my budget, but
Having a very comfortable home is valuable, so this is going to be a big thing that I'll highlight on the listing.
it's the morning of day 5, and with only 2 days left, my team is working full throttle. The guys are busy leveling floors, tiling both bathrooms, and prepping the walls for paint and wallpaper. It's a lot of work and not a lot of time.
I love the sound of a crane because it means something's happening.
My crane has arrived, which means the brand new AC unit is being hoisted up onto the roof.
I just have to make sure we get it in place, and hopefully we don't have any other problems.
I'm saving close to $2,000 by helping out with the roof. And I've got my guys painting doors. The electrician is hard at work on the inside. All I have left to do today is to get my rooms ready for furniture.
It's the last day, and I feel great about the space, but
I have a lot on my checklist that we have to finish off.
the baseboards need to go in, bathroom fixtures need to be installed, the vanities need to be completed, and there's a lot of cleanup.
My closet organization systems. So once all of this stuff, check, is done, then the furniture comes in.
This is the final push. We're running out of time. I need to get this place clean, and there are so many little details left to complete. We're installing doors, switch plates, light fixtures, closet systems. I want this pristine. I budgeted $18,000 to do my guest rooms, but I ran into big issues with my roof, forcing me to scale back on my design and take on some personal labor. But even with those reductions, I still went over budget.
When you're styling a bedroom, there's a million different ways you can go. I wanted this specifically to be a guest room, somewhere where an adult would walk in and say, wow, all of my stress melts away. This is a beautiful space.
My original budget was $20K for the guest bedrooms and baths, but because I'm running out of money, I worked very hard to come in under. Then the AC unit broke down, and even though I got a deal on it, it ate up a lot of my savings, but at least I ended up on my original budget.
Let's see what we got. I'd live here.
I wouldn't object.
This is good.
This is really nice. Loving the gray.
Ooh. All about it.
There's a lot of good happening in here.
There
That
is.
feature wall is everything.
I love the wall, and I love the light fixture, too.
I want to take it home and...
I mean, you know I can't. Put it in my purse. I got the big one today.
You got the big purse.
I got the big purse today.
Well, okay. Huge improvement. Double vanity.
Loving the tile.
This is really good.
It's way more functional than what was happening. It's tasty.
Oh, a nursery. The feature wall is beautiful.
My uterus.
This is a really good room.
I'm feeling it.
There's a lot of artistic moments happening. Oh.
Little surfer chic going on here.
Yeah, a dude's room.
It is.
I could live here.
You can relate.
Yeah, love the bed. I could definitely see myself sleeping here.
The before and
Outside.
afters. Yeah, it was a hot mess.
It's not a hot mess anymore.
They did a great job. Some more closets here,
I'm loving these floors. So much closet space.
especially being upstairs.
It's so fantastic.
It is good to have.
It's really good to have. And I love that they kept with the gray.
Yeah.
And
They
I
have
say
it there.
they because I have no idea
I think
whose
I know.
house this is.
I think I know.
After you, darling. Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
I'm living for this. You would expect these type of fittings to be in a master closet.
Yeah.
So-
Go through here. A pretty bathroom.
Oh, this is so
Oh.
Everything they picked out, the fixtures are good, the tile selections are good, the flooring is good.
Crackle tile. I am in love. These boys got some style.
Yes.
Yummy.
Oh, yeah, that's so good. Yellow is a color that I just look good with.
Love
You loving
this.
it on me?
I'm loving it on you.
I'm loving this room. And the bed is for real. You want to just snap. I'm sorry.
Definitely a home away from home feeling.
I can't believe that this is not the master bedroom.
It
This is a
feels
guest
like
room.
It feels like a master bedroom.
Which one did you
Yeah.
like better? In which house?
Oh, that's unfair. Unfair. This is nice,
It
very
is.
calming and very tranquil.
Now, this feels like a guest room.
This does feel like a guest room. I love the simplicity. I think it's clean.
It's fabulous.
It feels that
It does.
moment.
It does.
Yeah.
It does.
I'm still undecided.
Why don't you guys talk it out a little bit? Quietly, we won't listen in.
That's what he liked. All right,
Okay.
we're in
Are you good?
agreement. Yes.
We're in agreement.
Yes, we're in agreement.
Okay.
So, simultaneously, say the name of the property that you feel wins.
Okay.
Either Heavenly View or Forest Crest.
Forest Crest.
Oh my God! You're my favorite person in the world. Everything bad I've ever said. Oh my God! All right, I'll still hug it out. All I can say is, you picked wisely.
Forest Crest feels refreshing.
It was fit for a king.
I just think that it'll be an easier property to sell.
Now I need time to get into my puffy magic shirt before I see David.
And it's not worth it. I lost, but I don't feel like a loser because I really wanted to see Jonathan hang out with David Copperfield. So even if I did win, I still would have given this reward to my brother.
Welcome, welcome. That is awesome. I'm walking through and I'm seeing all this crazy memorabilia. I can see posters, I can see illusions from some of the most famous magic specials that he ever did.
You're a movie person? You love movies?
Yes.
From the Chucky movies, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Given your background and how you've really cared about this stuff, it's great to share this with you. Would you like to do something in my show?